What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix Starfield's turrets cannot be fired manually. Starfield, the eagerly awaited space exploration game, has impressed players with its vast universe and intricate gameplay. If you've tried common fixes like restarting the game or powering up your ship without success, then this guide will take you through the steps to address this problem. Try to fix this issue by adjusting the turret placement within the ship design interface. First is to access ship design. Now go over to the ship design menu within the game. Next is the turret placement. Examine the positioning of your turrets. To ensure that they function properly, position them in a front-facing orientation. Then last is the automated weapon systems. For enhanced turret performance in battles, consider leveling up your automated weapon system skills. Adjusting turret placement resolves the Starfield turrets cannot be fired manually error, enabling automatic engagement when approaching enemy ships. Although a permanent fix is uncertain, ensuring full power in your ship is vital for turret functionality. If the issue is persistent, contacting Starfield support is advised for prompt assistance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.